Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Jazzcash account. First, ensure you have a valid Jazz or Wearid SIM registered in your name. This is the foundational step for setting up your mobile wallet. We'll cover the entire process, from initial registration to making your first transaction, ensuring you can manage your finances easily and securely. Get ready to unlock the convenience of digital payments. Before you begin, make sure your Jazz or Wearid SIM card is active and registered to your personal CNIC. It's crucial that your CNIC is current and not expired, as this is a key verification step. Having your 13-digit CNIC number handy will streamline the entire registration process. These simple preparations ensure a smooth account setup. To start, simply dial *786# from your Jazz or Wearid SIM. From the menu that appears, select the option to register your new account. You will then be prompted to enter your complete 13-digit CNIC number. After this, create a secure 4-digit mobile account PIN, which you will use for all future transactions. Once you've created your PIN, confirm it to finalize your registration. Congratulations! Your Jazzcash mobile account is now active and ready to use. You can visit any authorized Jazzcash agent to deposit cash into your new account. With funds available, you can immediately start sending money, paying bills, or performing other convenient transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.